Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. It is a beautiful day. I hope you are well wherever you are. And I invite you to like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and check out my description down below. I have my link tree, formerly link wall, but now link tree. And you can go to all of my links there, and I want to bring your attention to my newsletter button. Go to my website, sign up for my newsletter, leave me a message. You can work with me. I do one-on-one wellness coaching that includes like a chakra reading or energy reading, and it can be done remotely. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a kitchen remedy, a nature's cure-all herb, garlic, and another cure-all food, olive oil. And I'm making crushed garlic in oil, kind of like an infused oil, but it can be eaten right away. It tastes delicious. Can put it on any savory dish, soups, potatoes, noodles, rice, vegetables, eggs. And I will be adding a few other little ingredients to this oil. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do this. Before I head into the kitchen, I just want to bring your attention to this book. I have so many different reference books. I'm actually using old the Essential Herbal magazines for ideas right now, and this is one of my favorite books. It's what I would consider a beginner book with basic information, the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, Dr. Nicole Appelian, and I will link that in the description. But let's see what she has to say about garlic in case you're not familiar with the benefits of garlic. So garlic can be medicinal, for sure. It has beneficial sulfurous compounds. You can eat garlic, make a tincture with garlic. You can juice garlic. It is antiviral, antibacterial, antiparasitic. So oftentimes people ask me about black walnut for being antiparasitic. And that is true, but so is garlic. It has been used for colds and flus and sore throats, bronchitis, stomach flu, intestinal worms. Also with thrush and yeast and fungal infections. It is beneficial for digestive issues. Helps lower sugars for diabetics. Also has been used for bronchitis, whooping cough, congestion. Garlic has a strong decongestant effect and expectorant action, meaning it will help you expel phlegm. It also reduces fevers and kills underlying infection. It can help lower blood cholesterol levels. It can be used topically for corns and warts and acne, but that it does burn the skin, so you have to dilute it with olive oil. So what I'm showing you today is a food preparation that is something that I would put on the table wherever you're eating and to add to your foods on a regular basis. And all these things that I show here are, I don't stay up to date with them all the time. You know, the garlic jar gets emptied. It takes me a couple weeks till I fill it back up. I'm not perfectly on top of everything all the time. But making videos and talking to people and teaching reminds me to keep that habit, keep on top of my health. And I would say that self-care and what I eat, how I take care of myself is first in my list of priorities. Garlic, I probably should have made a video about this back in December. There were many different germs passing around. And truly, when your body is a clean vessel, you are less affected by what is contagious. And garlic can be something that helps clean that vessel. It's really important what you eat, and it's really important the herbs that you take to help boost the immune system and also help to cleanse out different organ systems. So garlic, high vibration, spicy, hot, pungent food. If you can take all of the garlic side effect, the odor, the breath, then this herb is perfect for keeping your body strong and healthy. And the key is to get your whole family and friends to eat lots of garlic, and then no one will notice. So let's go into the kitchen. I want to show you some of the cloves I have here. Now this garlic has been sitting in my fridge for a little while, and they grew tails. But this is actually good because this means that this is a live garlic that can regrow. It can reseed. It's not dead like a GMO version. So I actually just put the garlic in with the tail. Sometimes I even just plant this garlic. And you want to buy local. You want to make sure it's organic. You want to get garlic that is going to regrow to use for your garlic. So I didn't have a lot of garlic on hand. I actually had to throw away 5 of my bulbs because they were getting moldy. But it looks like I have about 2 bulbs worth, and I'm going to use a pint jar. And I'm going to first fill this with olive oil. About 3/4 of the way full, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil, and then I'll show you the next step. So I have my olive oil, and I'm only going to pour in a little bit of olive oil just to grind this all up. And my extra special ingredients, I'm going to put a little piece of turmeric, which I've washed, and I'm going to leave the skin on, and then some dried thyme. And the reason why I leave the skin on is because I leave the skin on everything, because there are nutrients underneath the layer of the skin. This was drying a little bit on my counter for a few days, so it doesn't look as super fresh, but oftentimes I leave my ginger or my turmeric out of the fridge so that it doesn't spoil, because if it dries out, it's still fine. So I'm going to add this and this little chunk of turmeric into my food processor, and I'm going to put about 2 inches of olive oil and grind. I have my beautiful mixture here. It smells delicious, and I'm going to scoop this back into the jar with the rest of the olive oil and mix it together thoroughly. Now, how wonderful does that look? And the turmeric gives it an extra nice yellow color, and it's ready to go. Put a lid on it, leave it out on your counter or in a cabinet. Add it to your dressings. Drizzle it on your food. Delicious. And now I'm going to enjoy my delicious baked potato with the garlic oil combination. It's going to be really good. I'm doing Ralph Smart's 7-day vegan challenge again. I just juiced for the last 24 hours. And cleansing. Already I feel much better. Taste is stronger. I can breathe better. My senses feel much more attuned. So let me know if you're going to make this or if you have made it. And come back again soon.